Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use padding and margin in HTML and CSS. So here I have some text. Now I want to add some margin from the top. Here you can see I'm using inline style tag. So how you can use it? Just I can write it again. Style is equal to, then add inverted commas, then just I can add here border 7px solid black, then add semicolon, then reload the page. So now here you can see border is added. Next step is I want to add margin from the top. So let me select it, then add the value, for example 100px, then save it, then again reload the page. Alright, now here you can see it's working fine. So now I have added margin. So now I want to add some padding. Padding left 70px, then save it, and after that reload the page. So guys, now here you can see this is the major difference between margin and padding. When I added padding, so it's moving inside the border, but when I added margin, so here you can see border is also moving, so it works outside the content. So in this way you can easily use padding and margin to align your content.